guys, it's Quality EJ again. I'm going to show you quickly how to use a website called Streamladder. Streamladder has been my go-to for a long time now, as I am personally rubbish at editing clips. This website helps me a ton. So you can use the URL of a Twitch link, a YouTube link, or a clip. And you can also upload straight from Twitch or your computer. So I'm going to upload personally from my PC. So we're going to go to downloads, we're going to go to playing some games, which is something really funny I said on stream. We're going to open it up, wait for it to prepare and render. Wait a second, preparing. Great, it's uploaded, so start editing. So I am personally using the free plan as I don't have any other plans at the moment. However, if you upgrade it, you do get some neat stuff. There is the silver plan and the gold plan. It is really inexpensive and it's also really cool. So let's get to it. These are on the left hand side, all of the different ones we have. So we have the small face cam, the circle face cam, the game UI, split, blurred, full screen, base cam, mosaic, dual face cam, dual split and half. I personally like to use the small face cam. So as you can see here in the middle, I'm going to crop my gameplay, which is what I want to clip. And then we're going to find the face cam and crop my face. Because I said something really funny. So there we go. It is a bit stretched in the background, but I'm okay with that. There we go. So there we go, that's that bit sorted. So we also have text. So if you have the plans, I'll show you the plans now. You got gold is £10 per month, £6 per month for silver. For silver you get export in 1080p with 60 FPS. You get to add stickers and text, and you also get AI powered captions. For gold you get to create montages, schedule clips directly to our social media, and you can also render in the background. You can also view the features by using view all gold features, view all silver features. So I personally love the silver package. My silver patches are very favorite for me, but I don't have at the moment. So here on the left hand side are some custom texts. So obviously if I had the package I would add some custom texts. There's all different kind of fonts, which is really cool. They also have ones that are pre-made. So you'll see here it says stay till the end for a surprise. What happens next? This is crazy. So it gives you captions to be able to put on your video that you go, I actually didn't think of that. That's pretty dope. So you got the intro and you got the outro, which is really cool. So then next you also have stickers. So say you are a Twitch person, you can have Twitch stickers, all different kind of ones. They're really dope, they're really cool. You can also have YouTube. So you have a YouTube sticker on there, Kick, Facebook, and you can also have multiple socials. So you edit the socials and you pick the ones that you are live on or those that you post on. So Twitch, Kick, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And it will put all of them together and it will I'll just give you an example. So I have this one, you could just pop it on there and it'll tell people which ones that you are basically active on. So that's the stickers. We also have GIFs, so you can add GIFs to the video, which will make it really funny. Have a little meme here and there just to make the video pop a little. And then also people's favorites, we have captions. Now, captions are also very important in videos for accessibility. So if you want to be really accessible to others that maybe can't hear or something like that, you can have AI powered captions. I would highly recommend to have captions on your videos. And yeah, they have different kind of fonts. They have a Mr. Beast one, they have Ninja, they have all these kind of different ones that go like your style of editing. And then lastly, obviously, you have the export. So if you have the bigger plans like the silver and the gold, you can have the 720p high frame rate, so it's 720p with 60 FPS. Then you have the full HD, which is 1080p with 60 FPS. And it says here that the full HD 10p 60 FPS is the best choice for 23% more engagement. So that's pretty cool. However, I don't have the package, so I'm going to use the standard 720 to export my clip. And as you can see on the left as well, it did say you can also save the template. So if you always have the same style videos, all you need to do is go to the save template, and then when you load it up next time, you just click the same template and it'll put it in the same format that it already was, which is again pretty cool. So here we go. I'm going to download my clip because that's what I'm going to be using later. And it says here, share to. So you can select the channels you'd like to share towards. So when I said that you can share to your social medias, it says here you can connect to YouTube, you can connect to TikTok, and you can just post straight to there without having to copy that, download the clip and re-uploading it. It's a lot of hassle. You don't need to do it. YouTube Shorts. So as I use YouTube Shorts, I can put the title in, I can put the short description, put the keywords and stuff like that, and like the hashtags and stuff that'll go in there. And yeah, you can download it. You can send it to your mobile as well if you have the silver package. So say you want to edit it on your phone, but you just want the clip on there, you can just directly send it to your mobile, which is really cool. If you have the gold, you can edit it as a montage, which again is really cool. And if I'm not mistaken, it was like £10 a month, which is really cheap. So that's that bit. And if you have the gold package, you can also schedule it. So for those that are very organized and want to schedule their videos, you can get the gold package and it'll schedule all the videos for you, and you can also post now. So that is my little rundown of Streamladder, guys. You also have other things on the left hand side. We've just used the clip editor. We have the montage maker, the emote maker. You can literally make emotes using this website. Content publisher. So this is where you schedule your videos, you schedule your post, your analytics. So this is coming soon. This is how to keep an eye on your TikTok analytics and how to improve better. My videos. So here you can save your clips if you have the silver package. Social media connections. This is where you can have, for the free package, you can have one social media connection. But if you get the gold, you can obviously add multiple. So again, it's really cool, really dope. You can have your profile here that's got your templates, your account settings. And yeah, that's my rundown of the Streamladder website. Please go use it. I, as someone who hates doing clips and is awful at using like Adobe and Photoshop, this website is a lifesaver basically. So go use it and let me know how you get on, guys. Okay, bye.